Well, as Luann mentioned, it's a busy time of year for the weatherman. We're going to go live now to our storm center.
Larry Green is out in the field preparing for the Our Town feature and weather forecast. So we'll get the current storm center information now from Steve Anderson. Steve?
Yeah, we're looking here out at some blue skies, a little sunshine peeking through into the storm center right now, but that's probably just for the time being. We are into a rather unsettled weather pattern, thanks in large part to what we've been calling an Omega block. We've been using this term a lot over the past few days. I'll try and tell you what it all means right now. We have something built on the weather computer for you, which indicates that we have, of course, the Greek letter Omega that looks something like that. What tends to happen is if you were to take that Omega shaped area there and put it up into the central part of the United States, it forms a block. Now, that Omega block is actually part of the jet stream pattern, the jet stream flowing something like that in that Omega-shaped area. And the warm air is sort of in the area in between. The cold, unstable, unsettled weather is in that trough of low pressure just on the western edge of that jet stream pattern where all of the cool air is there. And it has been giving us a lot of rainfall. It's a little hard to keep up with it all, but as of about noon today, and we'll have to tally up some totals here a little later, but 1 inch and 85 hundredths for the month of May so far. We're above normal for the month of May, and we're going to tack on a little more to that. 1 inch and 16 hundredths is normal for the month to date. As for the year, so far this year, 5 and 21 hundredths inches of precipitation. As for what's normal to date, 5 and 38 100ths inches, so just slightly behind, but we were much farther behind than that not so long ago. So all of this rainfall the past few days has really caught us up, and maybe after we tally things up today, we may actually be a little bit ahead. We'll give you some more information on the weather situation. Larry will be back with a complete forecast in just a little while. Bob and Madeline.
Okay, thanks, Steve. And of course, we're all welcoming this moisture.
Absolutely.
All right.